Well, you can probably see the roads are lots of puddles, debris. Had quite a lot of rain in the last few weeks. So I just come out for a little spin and we're just going to see how we get on for an hour. Let's go. It's getting more wooded up here. Lovely area to come and ride. More hill. If you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications when I make more videos. Just looks like people coming walking. There's a coffee bar here. There's a queue. Green bean. So yeah, a lot of these trails you can't access on a bike, which is a great shame. A lot of people will drive up here, take the dog for a walk. Nice place, out in the open. Place called Mamhead, just between Dawlish and Exeter. There's a lovely trail there, not allowed on it. Only about 3-4 miles from where I live. I should come up here more often, and I don't. It's one of those, every time you come you go, why don't I come here more often? There's a nice trail here, but I believe it's no cycling. That's those guys who just got getting in the car. They said it's quite muddy and horrendous. of a crossroads. There's another trail entrance there. Let's have a quick look. This one's called Kenton Common. Caution, huskies exercise here. Interesting. So you can see the path's not too bad at the odd bits, but I haven't got an off-road tyre, so I don't like the look of that. With this, I just know with this wheel that it's just going to slide everywhere, and if it gets worse than that, it's not worth it. Yeah, it's quite difficult riding on these slippery paths. You've really got to be on it. It gets even worse over there. And they look nice trails. It's a bit bobbly. It's quite a few little rocks in them, especially with a wheel with no suspension. You feel in every bump. This is the best surface for this type of wheel, or with this tyre on, for me anyway. Feel more comfortable on here, got more control. I've never tried an off-road tyre. It would be interesting to try one. Probably when this tyre works out I might try one. Not sure how good they are on the actual road. A lot more knobbly. Yeah, beautiful place to come up and just have a quick ride, quick spin. Just the mirror so we can see the cars behind me. Thanks for watching, and you'll see me on the next video.